Hello, Mikey Spock here, and I'm going to talk today about splitting the screen. It's a common question I have. I'm going to walk you through a couple different ways of doing this and a new third-party extension I found called Tab Resize. Now, I'm just going to slide down to the next slide here without enlarging. We're just going to take a quick peek here at what's on the keyboard. Now, on the keyboard here, you got a couple things. You got the Alt and the left and right bracket, and that is a picture of a Google Chrome keyboard. Now, so let's say I want to do some split screen action here with these commands. Here's how I do this. So I'm going to go to this article here, say there's no free lunch, and I want to split my screen with another tab. So what I do is I'm going to slide this down and put it on its own tab, and I'm going to go make sure my cursor is over here or anywhere on here. And I'm going to go Alt right bracket. I'm going to come back to the other one and go Alt left bracket, and now I have a split screen with the two tabs showing up, and I can move them as accordingly as I see fit. And then I can kind of bounce between different tabs that I have and different things I have going. Now, that's one way of doing it. And then the next common question is, well, how do I get it back to normal? Well, the way I usually do it is go over here, drag this one over here, and then hit enlarge, and now I'm back to normal. Now, there's another way that's kind of unique. It's called the Tab Resize. There's an extension right here I have pinned to the top. This is what it looks like. And I hit that, and I can go a couple different ways. And if I go here, I'm going to get a 4x4 approach. Okay. If I go over here, I'm going to get I could go to 2x1, or I could go with the traditional column. And then I guess common question is, how do I get rid of the tab resize? Let's go back to the 1x2 here. And so if I want to get rid of this, all I do is make sure my cursor's on it, and I hit escape, and then it's gone, and then it's just like we had before. But I have a lot of different options when it comes to tab resizing when I use this third-party extension. So a couple different ways of doing this, a couple different ways of looking at things, and then I'm going to get things back to normal here. I'm going to hit escape. I'm just going to kind of close out here of my windows and get myself back to normal. I actually hit it twice, so that's why I have so many here. And then I'm going to go back here, and then I'm going to take this one out. And there I am back to normal. The reason I have so many windows is I was playing with this earlier, and I did not exit out all those windows. But there we go. We got the traditional way, the tab resize function, which you can find in the Google Chrome store. And remember, once a spud, always a spud. Have a great rest of your day.